What if I told you a volcano in Indonesia created one of the world's most famous monsters? In 1815, Mount Tambora blew its top off. It was so massive, it sent a cloud of ash around the globe, blocking out the sun. 1816 became known as the year without a summer. It literally snowed in June. Crops failed, and the world went into a gloom. Stuck indoors during a rainy, freezing vacation at Lake Geneva, Mary Shelley and her friends held a ghost story contest to pass the time. Inspired by the eerie, apocalyptic weather outside, she wrote a little story called Frankenstein. Frankenstein. Sometimes, history doesn't just change the world, it creates legends.